Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add your B network contract address to your wallet and how you can actually send and receive B tokens. So for you to add your B network contract address, you just have to look at the bottom of your home page, your dashboard, and you click on the second option, which is the wallet. So after clicking on the wallet, you just have to click on this uh this Ethereum mainnet that is here. You change it to Polygon mainnet. You change it to Polygon mainnet and you click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, to just load, and all you have to do is to click on this import tokens at the bottom. This import tokens, just have to click on this import tokens. So after clicking on the import tokens, it will take you to a place like this. You just have to come to this button that is here, the last one, which is import tokens. You just have to go to that place, and you, as you can see, token contract address, you have to add the B network contract address to this place. So I'm going to be dropping the B network contract address on the description of this video, so do well to copy the contract address and paste it in this box that is here, in this box. So let me quickly paste it, and as you can see, it has shown here the token symbol is B, the token decimal is 18. So after adding your contract address, you just have to click on the import token. As you can see, add to wallet homepage successfully. So let me go to the wallet homepage and refresh the page. As you can see, B network has been added automatically. As you can see, B network has been added automatically. So for you to send your B network, for you to send B network to someone, you just have to click on this B network. Just click on it and to take you to where you send your B network. Just hold on. As you can see, there are two options here. We have receive and send. If you want to send your recipient to someone, just click on the send, and you, in this place, in this box, you just have to paste the person contract at the wallet address of the person. You just have to paste the person wallet address, and you, in this amount, you enter the amount of B you want to send to the address, and you click on this send button at the bottom, this send button. But note this, you will be charged a fee of 0.00057 matic. So note this, you will be charged a gas fee of 0.00057 matic for this transaction. So for you to send there's that amount of matic to your wallet, I'm still going to show in this video. So just stay with me as we continue. So if you want to receive, if you want to receive B network from a particular person, just click on this receive, and this your contract address. You just have to copy your contract address. Look at your wallet address. You just have to copy your wallet address and send to the person, and the person is going to send you the B to this address, and you see your B at your wallet homepage. You see the B here at your wallet homepage. So for you to actually deposit some matic, maybe one matic, 0.5 matic, 0.05 matic, and so on, to your wallet, you just have to click on the matic, and you click on this receive button that is here, and you click on this copy. You click on this copy to copy it, and you actually go to your exchange wallet, to your wallet, and you send the matic to this place for you to actually do transaction, like send your matic to someone else. So if you have not yet started B network, you just have to check my channel and watch the video that I made on how to start B network. Yes, B network will do something great. So for you to also see your referral code, just go to the profile button, and as you can see, you just have to copy it. This is short code. You just have to copy it, and that's all. So this is how you can actually add your contract address, the B network contract address, to your B network app. So, and how you can actually sell and buy, do transaction on B network. I've come to the conclusion of this video. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share this video, and most importantly, give it a comment on the comment box for any question you have. I will going to have a time to answer every bit of question right there. So if you also want to join my WhatsApp group, share the description of this video. You see the link to my WhatsApp group. Click on the link to join my WhatsApp group. It's a free WhatsApp group. You don't have to pay to join. Yes, you don't have to pay. It's free. Just click on the link right there to join my WhatsApp group for more updates about crypto.